here at a job today in Miranda for a customer that's just gone over to FTTC. They had NBN come out and do the installation for them, and basically the NBN tech come and basically said, look, it's installed, you've got to put your modem, go plug your FTTC device in yourself. And so they were trying to plug it in. They had all the sockets in the house, were all connected. He didn't even disconnect the sockets. So generally in FTTC, the installing technician should isolate all the sockets, the other sockets in the house, and just have the main socket working. But he hasn't done that in this case, and then they've advised, their ISP's advised that they should get a private technician to come out and take a look. So that's what I've done today. Now, also too, we're not getting any sync on this FTTC device. As you can see, the sync light just keeps flashing, but then the DSL light will come on intermittently. I'll just sort of blink on for a while and then blink off again. You should see it happen in a second. So it's trying to connect, but it's not connecting. Now I am connected directly to the leading cable out here. I've got my alligator clips connected to that, and that's going straight down into the FTTC device, and it's got a lead run out, so just in his garage there. But it's not connecting. I've had this on for well over 10, maybe 12 minutes now, and it's not connecting. So there's another pair here too, which was the orange-white, the green-white, sorry, and I thought maybe that might have been the one. I connected to that as well, and then only the sync light was just flashing, but nothing was going on. So I've tried to eliminate the bridge tap issue inside, but there seems to be some sort of a join in a wall or something somewhere where it's actually splitting off and going to two sockets. So I can't isolate both of those because we can't find where it's actually joined. But this here, as you can see, that DSL light keeps flashing on and flashing off. There's obviously some sort of an issue with either the FTTC device or the leading cable going back out to the street. So NBN will have to return to this job and at least get it working to the little Luca box here on the front of the property.